So I'm going to show you how to do the wireless print and scan using HP Deskjet printer, and here I'll also show you how to do a copy. So let's start with that. Now first thing is to go to your Android device, iPhone, smartphone or tablet, and download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you download it, then we go on the printer. Now switch on the printer and go on the display screen, and here you see this is the Wi-Fi Direct button. So click it once and it will switch on the light. Now again go to your Android device, open the Wi-Fi network and look for the printer's name here, that is Direct F7 HP Deskjet 3700. Click on that. It will ask a password of this printer. You can enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Click on connect. Once connected, open the HP Smart app again. Now we have to end the printer here, so click on the plus button on the top and click on the printer's name. Now you can see all the details here. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless print and scan, also how to do the copy. To do a print, we just have to click on the print document and look for any document you want to. Click on the print button, and you can also select the range, how many copies you want, also the page range you want, and then click on this blue icon here, and now it will send a command and it will start to print. Now you can see it has started to print. So that's the way we can do it. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning. Go back in your HP Smart app, go to the main screen and look for the printer scan option. Now click on the printer scan. Now we need to add the page in this printer for the scanning, so I'll show you that. So this is the page I'm going to scan. So we just need to insert it here. Push it forward, it will hold the page itself. Once it holds the page, now go to this app again and click on the scan button. You can see it has started to scan the page. And here the scan has arrived. Now you can select the area you want to keep and you can just save it. Now I'll show you how to do the copy. Now doing copy is easy as well. So we just need to place the page here. Make sure it catches the page. And then click color or black copy you want. So click it once. So this way we can do the copy. So you can see doing copy and scanning is a bit difficult, as you have to hold the page and make sure the page is in proper alignment so that it can go smoothly. And for printing it's easy, you can do the wireless printing. So here you can see test page 1. Thanks for watching.